Welcome to Brain Vision.
So these answers are based on your interpretation of the graph. Although they should be close, you might have different answers by a few seconds. So for part A, they want us to find the greatest velocity, and because this is a velocity versus time graph, we can say that the greatest velocity would be found at the highest point of the graph. So we can say velocity max at highest point. And we can say that this roughly corresponds to a time of approximately equal to 48 seconds. So at 48 seconds, there is the maximum velocity. For part B, the indication of a constant velocity on a velocity versus time graph would, of course, be a slope of 0. So when the slope is 0, this means that the velocity is not changing, and so we have a constant velocity. This occurs, so we can say constant velocity, slope equaling 0, and this occurs between 90 seconds and 108 seconds. At C, we have that the indication of a constant acceleration would be a constant slope. So this means that a constant acceleration would correspond to a linear slope. And here we have 3 periods where this occurs. So we have from 0 seconds to 42 seconds. We have from 65 seconds to 83 seconds. And then we have from 90 seconds to, again, 108 seconds. So a constant acceleration could also mean a 0 acceleration as long as the acceleration itself isn't changing. So that's why the answer to B is also an answer to C. And for part D, we have that we want to find the where we get a maximum acceleration. So where on the graph is the acceleration max? And this corresponds to where we have the greatest slope. So according to the graph, the greatest slope occurs from, again, 65 seconds to 83 seconds. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.